Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into one of the most exciting luxury performance SUVs of 2025, the Audi SQ5, a car that blends everyday comfort with pure driving excitement. Exterior design and styling. The 2025 Audi SQ5 looks sharper, sportier, and more muscular than ever before. Audi has refined its design language to strike the perfect mix between aggression and elegance. Up front, you get the bold single-frame grille with the signature S badging, flanked by sleek matrix LED headlights that give it that futuristic Audi face. The sculpted side profile and the quad exhaust tips at the back remind you that this isn't just a family SUV, it's a performance machine. And with new wheel designs, up to 21 inches, plus color options like Daytona Gray and Ultra Blue, the SQ5 really turns heads wherever it goes. Engine performance and driving dynamics. Under the hood, the 2025 SQ5 packs a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 producing 362 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with Audi's legendary quattro all-wheel drive system and an 8-speed Tiptronic transmission, delivering power smoothly to all four wheels. The SQ5 can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just around 4.5 seconds, which is seriously impressive for an SUV in this class. The steering feels tight, the suspension adaptive and responsive, giving you comfort on city roads and sharp handling when you want to have fun. Whether you're cruising through the city or carving through winding mountain roads, the SQ5 gives you that confident, balanced drive Audi is known for. Interior comfort and luxury. Step inside and the SQ5 welcomes you with pure sophistication. The cabin is a blend of sporty design and luxury craftsmanship. You'll find fine Napa leather seats with diamond stitching, brushed aluminum trim, and ambient lighting that lets you set the mood for every drive. The front sport seats are heated and ventilated, offering incredible comfort on long trips. Audi's attention to detail is everywhere, from the stitching on the steering wheel to the tactile feedback of every button. And for practicality, you've got plenty of cargo space and fold-flat rear seats, making it easy to switch from a business trip to a weekend getaway. Technology and infotainment. When it comes to tech, Audi never disappoints. The SQ5 features the latest MMI touch response system with a crisp 10.1-inch display and Audi's Virtual Cockpit Plus, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster that's fully customizable. You also get wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bang & Olufsen 3D sound, and voice controls that make driving smarter and safer. Add in the head-up display, and you have all your key information projected right onto the windshield. It's technology that enhances the experience without overwhelming the driver. A perfect blend of convenience and innovation. Safety, pricing, and value. The SQ5 is loaded with safety tech, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree camera, rear cross traffic alert, and park assist. It's designed to keep you safe, confident, and in control, no matter where you drive. As for pricing, the 2025 Audi SQ5 starts around $58,000. But with options, it can easily climb into the mid-$60,000 range. Considering its mix of performance, luxury, and daily practicality, it's one of the best balanced performance SUVs in its class. So there you have it, the 2025 Audi SQ5, a luxury SUV that manages to be refined yet thrilling, practical yet powerful. If you're someone who wants a vehicle that can do it all, family comfort during the week and pure fun on the weekends, the SQ5 might just be your perfect match. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car reviews and automotive deep dives. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.